Hey guys, working on a 65 Mustang, and it's going to be a totally custom 65 Mustang. I'm using all kinds of 94 parts, 94 Mustang parts in the 65. And now, today, I'm working on the light switch. And I'm using the wiring harness from the 94 in the 65 with all its connectors, with everything. I didn't want to cut up the harness too much. So today I'm working on the light switch. And this is the 94, and this is the 65 Mustang switch. They're almost the same, but not quite. There's 9 pins on the 94, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins on the 65. So I did a quick look at them, and I really didn't want to start cutting up the harness too much and switch the connectors around. And I started looking at this, and I noticed that, sheesh, they're almost the same. The only difference is that I can see are the pins, but this bracket. In the 65, the way the dash is made, you need this little spacer for this switch to fit in. So I'm looking at this, and I'm thinking, well, I could probably cut that off somehow, because it's riveted and welded, spot welded together. Or what I'm thinking now is, if I put it upside down here, I'm thinking of taking these little rivets out of here, and I'm just gonna swap out this case with this case, and I'll just use some 832 screws that are long enough that go in here, and I'll just nut and bolt this frame onto this switch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll get back to you in a minute.